think about that? What do you think about that? Here. Good stuff? Is it good stuff? You like peaches? You're doing good, Bubba. Baby girl's over there snacking away. Here. Let's try to get it off the face. Let's see, you had a jar of peas first. Yeah, well, you thought they were good at the time. Then you had some oatmeal with some cinnamon apples. Oh! You thought that was pretty good, and then you still wanted more, so we're having some peaches for dessert. And sometimes they make you shiver a little bit. Huh? Sometimes are they a little tart? Just a little tart? And I think you should stop after this one, Bubba. Yeah. I know you're a growing boy, but I think you should stop. Because I don't want to clean it up. Oh, you will, but no. I couldn't let you do that. Mama would have to clean it up. Alright, we're almost done. We're getting down to the bottom. You gonna help me? Here we go, here. You see Peachy? She come to see you. See if you have any food you can give her. Alright, that's it. Well, I think there's one. There's one more bite. One more bite. Alright, here. You're so demanding. There. All done. All done. It's all done. There's no more. Oh, goodness. Alright, let's wipe them out. Oh, I know it. I know it. I don't like that. It's cold. Okay. Okay. What is with the fits? What is with the fits? Bubba. We used to never have fits. Never. And then you get almost 7 months old. You'll be 7 months old tomorrow and you just start having fits. Oh, here. You want the plug? Oh, there we go. There we go. Better? Is that better? Love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Boop. Baby girl thought we were talking to her. PG thought we were talking to her.